Hi guys, it's Personal Cakes once again on your screen, and as we usually do, today we will be unboxing a pair of Reebok sneakers. So let's just jump into the video. So first of all, let's just take a quick look at the box, and sorry guys, because the delivery company really mashed up the box. The delivery company really mashed up the box, so that's why some parts are torn and it's in this condition. But so there you have it, the label on the side of the box with all the details, the information you need about the shoes. And I think there's not much on the box aside the Reebok logo going all around the box. So let's get into the shoes themselves. So please subscribe, like and comment what you think about these. And a link will be in the description that takes you to our Instagram page where you can buy them. At the moment we don't have a website, so we operate mostly on Instagram and on Twitter. So please check that out. And now here are the shoes. This is the Reebok Classic Nylon. And I mean, it's such a nice pair. It came in really nice and cleaner than I thought. It looks nice in person than it looks online, at least in my opinion. So the quality on these is also really good. It came with an extra pair of laces tied to both legs. So at the back heel, we have the Reebok text there. As you can see, neatly done. And we have the suede at the heel as well. And on the side, we have the Reebok going on, the Reebok with the UK flag, as you can, always see on all the classics, the Reebok classics, leather, the nylon, and the club C's, So underneath the suede on the side, that's where you see the nylon going on. There's a leather making the Reebok stripe. So that's the nylon, and that inspired the name, the Reebok Classic Nylon, because the mold is the Reebok Classic leather, but since they didn't use leather and they used nylon, that's why they gave it the name Reebok Classic Nylon. So at the toe box, as you can see, very neat, smooth nylon there. On the inside as well, it's the same thing on the other side, but this side we do not have the Reebok and the UK logo somewhere there. Now let's take a look at the tongue. We have the Reebok Classic. I've forgotten the name of this logo. This design. It has a name. I've forgotten. Guys, please, if you remember, please please mention it in the comment section. We have the Reebok tongue, the Reebok tag on the tongue, and on the inside we have this comfy material. This is like cloth material, but this, I don't know, this is not a terry material, but it's just a cloth material, and it's really nice. It gives you extra comfort and cushioning. We have as you can see on the insole, blue, very nice colorway. Now let's take a look at the outsole. EVA outsole. sorry, EVA midsole and outsole rubber, Reebok branding, you know, traction, the pattern is really nice. More information on the tag as well. We have the size, the SKU, and size conversion to other sizes. More information. So now a quick look at the two of the shoes in hand. Yeah, please subscribe, comment and like, and let's grow this channel. So guys, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.